So, hey, I'm videotaping. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm making a bird that flaps and makes wings.
What are you doing right now, though?
Oh, doing this.
Are you programming it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, now push play on your program. Let's see. Okay, did you push play? Wait. Let me push stop. Okay. Sound's on. It's a tilt sensor, you have to move him. Okay, move his tail. See what he does.
See? Huh?
Is he plugged in right?
Okay.
There he goes. Is that cool?
What do you... Oyster! Come here!
So now you're programming him to peck, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You ready?
Ready. Go ahead now. Pull up his tail so he goes all the way down to the ground to eat. Is that cool? See? This sensor, when something waves in front of it, makes sound.